Hello friends, I am Dr. Disha Sonar Khanowal. I am consultant at Marvel Skin Hair and Laser Clinic at Latur, Maharashtra. Friends, darkening of face and neck. Is it an alarming condition? Let's see. There are various causes of dark patches over face. One of the causes is melasma, which I have already described in my earlier video. The link for this is given in the description below. Today talk about certain conditions which are associated with obesity and overweight. These conditions are maturational hyperpigmentation, acanthosis nigricans and skin tags. Skin is called as the mirror of our body. Any changes on the skin can be an indicator of certain underlying conditions. Let's see what is maturational hyperpigmentation. In some people, dark brown to black colored pigmentation is seen in the area between the eyes and ears, on the cheeks, over the bridge of the nose and sometimes on the forehead. They are seen on both sides of the face. Their border is ill-defined and the margin mixes with the surrounding normal skin. These patches, they do not have any symptoms. Sometimes there can be slight burning if there is sweating. It is mostly seen in males and the age group affected is 35 to 70 years. There is a correlation between the preferred sleeping site of the person and the prominence of hyperpigmentation. So this indicates the role of friction on that site. Other sites, frictional sites such as elbows, knees, knuckles and ankles may also have such type of dark pigmentation. The common factor underlying this condition is the patient is obese or overweight. Other condition which is associated with this is acanthosis nigricans. In this condition, dark colored, hyperpigmented, velvety texture and thickened verrucous skin is seen around the neck, armpits, below breast. It is also seen besides the nostrils, below lips and perioral and also in this sulcus. So this is called as the acanthosis nigricans. Sometimes rapidly evolving acanthosis nigricans can be a sign of internal malignancy. Now coming to skin tags. What are skin tags? These are outpouchings of skin which have stalk at their base. These are seen mainly on neck and armpits, but they can be seen anywhere on the body. All these conditions are associated with coexistent comorbid conditions like diabetes, hypertension, coronary artery disease and increased lipid levels in the blood. So it is advised to have blood test of blood sugar, fasting as well as after meals, then insulin and lipid levels also. Nowadays, due to change in lifestyle, all these conditions can be seen in younger age group also. Due to increase in consumption of junk food, increased screen time, sedentary lifestyle and decreased outdoor games. All this can lead to the changes, all these changes in skin in young age group as well as children. Now coming to the treatment of this condition. The key factor in treatment of these conditions is weight reduction. Exercise, diet and stress reduction and lifestyle changes. All these play important role in treating this condition. The use of certain creams which cause decrease in keratin, and also people should take precaution to avoid friction at that site. We should avoid vigorous rubbing of our face. The use of these skin tags under local anesthesia is indicated. Also certain oral medications which are called as insulin sensitizers like metformin, antioxidants, vitamin E and N-acetylcysteine. These are also useful. For pigmentation, in-office chemical peels, lasers like CO2 carbon dioxide laser, fractional radiofrequency, all these are definitely helpful in decreasing the hyperpigmentation. that all these skin conditions, when detected early, can prevent deterioration of increase in blood sugar and increase in blood lipids, and it will help to intervene so early. So friends, if you find this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.